Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a photo in Facebook Messenger on Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open a conversation with the person or group you want to send the photo to. This could be an existing chat or a new conversation you've just started. Once you're inside the conversation thread, you'll see the messaging interface where you can type and send different types of content. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice several icons alongside the text input field. Look for the image icon, which typically looks like a small picture or gallery symbol. Go ahead and tap on this image icon. This action will open up your photo gallery, giving you access to all the images stored on your device. This feature is essential because it allows you to share moments, screenshots, or any visual content directly within your conversation without having to leave the app. Once your gallery opens, you'll see all your photos displayed in a grid format. Take a moment to browse through your images and find the exact photo you want to send. When you've located it, simply tap on the image to select it. You'll notice that selected photos often get a check mark or a highlighted border, indicating they're ready to be sent. This step is important because Messenger allows you to review your selection before actually sending it, ensuring you're sharing the right image. After you've selected your desired photo, look for the Send button. This button is usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen and might be labeled as Send or represented by a paper plane icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Your photo will immediately be uploaded and sent to the conversation. Depending on your internet connection speed, this might take just a second or two, so give it a moment to complete the upload process. And that's it. You've successfully sent a photo through Facebook Messenger on your Android device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.